If you want to measure heart rate on POCO F7 Pro, you need to go to Settings, scroll down in the settings, and choose Additional Settings. And then over here you should be able to find heart rate. So if you go over here, press Start, let's grant the access. And we need to cover flash and camera with one finger. So let's give it a try. Oh, I didn't actually cover. There we go. And now we are measuring. As you can see, we have the progress at the bottom. Then we have the information about the BPM as well. And there we go. Measurement is done. And we can view the report. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.